Hello, this is a short tutorial on how to use Quick Assist. Um, this is a tool that's built into Windows 10 that allows somebody to remotely help you. So to start the Quick Assist program on your computer, if you go down to the Windows search box at the bottom left and type Quick Assist, you'll see the Quick Assist app. You can click on it there. The other way is to click on just to the left, the Windows button, scroll down the Windows accessories, and then click on Quick Assist, another way of starting it. Once you start the program, you'll get this window right here, and you've got to type in a 6-digit number from the person who's helping you. Generally, they give it to you via phone. You type it in, click on Share Screen, and you'll get this screen that gives you the name of the person who's assisting you, and you've got to formally give them permission to connect to your machine. Once you're connected, at this point, the person who's remote can not only see your screen, they can actually take control of your cursor and click on things and run programs. That's the big difference between using Quick Assist and screen sharing with something like Zoom or Google Meet. It has a lot more potential for somebody to give you assistance. And when you're all done, at that little Quick Assist bar at the top, just click on the X, and that will disconnect the remote person.